Welcome to Catalyst Grid, and my name is Kingsley Imufua. Thanks for sticking around. The contract is signed, the governance is live, the long lead equipment is in production, and now, for the first time in this series, boots are on the ground. Episode 5 is where Project IRONGATE becomes a physical thing. Site establishment, the setup of a working construction site, is more than putting up a fence. On a project of IRONGATE's scale, the site compound is a temporary facility that will house up to 400 workers at peak, manage dozens of deliveries per day, and serve as the operational base for 26 months. We've installed 3-meter hoarding, biometric turnstiles, and 24/7 CCTV. Welfare provision here exceeds statutory minimums. A deliberate choice to reduce workforce turnover by providing quality canteens and changing facilities. Temporary power and water are also live, either from the local grid or diesel generator sets. Enabling works are the activities that must happen before the main construction works can begin. On IRONGATE, enabling works ran for 8 weeks and were the first activities on the critical path. Because this is a brownfield site, we started with demolition and a non-negotiable asbestos survey. Licensed contractors removed all hazardous materials before we moved to topsoil stripping and vegetation clearance. Before any excavation, we conducted a CAT and Genny scan across the entire site to locate existing buried services. On IRONGATE, 3 existing services required diversion: a 150mm water main, a 33 kilovolt overhead line, and a BT open-reach duct route. Relocating that line to an underground route was an 11-week program on the near-critical path. A 2-week way-leave delay was absorbed by a parallel temporary access road construction activity, that is, schedule management. The early works program was managed as a separate subschedule within P6, with the foundation start date as the fixed end milestone. Environmental controls were vital. Silt traps and settlement lagoons manage runoff, and the wheel wash is operational from day one. We also constructed hardcore blinded temporary access roads for heavy plant. Every activity requires approved RAMs. No RAM, no start, no exceptions. The schedule signal for Episode 5. Enabling works delays are day-for-day impacts on your foundation start. Every week of slippage here is a week you will never recover downstream. In Episode 6, we go underground: drainage, earthing systems, HV cable ducts, fuel pipework, everything that sits below the finished floor level, but makes the building work. Subscribe to Catalyst Grid. Episode 6 is next.